There's nothing bougier than self-indulgence. Some people spend over $75 on monogram silk robes. Welcome to Bougie Budget, where we take pricey products and remake them ourselves for less. Today, I'll be writing my name in silk. If there's one thing rich people love, it's being pampered. And pampering yourself can be expensive. But today I'm treating myself to an at-home spa day, starting with the ultimate relaxation outfit, a custom silk robe. Nothing says bougie like monogrammed accessories. Embroidery is a bougie technique I use to customize anything. Nietzsche once said, "Be more bougie." You'll need a silk robe, an embroidery circle, a pair of scissors, thread, and a needle. This technique is called satin stitching. Trace an outline of what you'll be embroidering on the fabric and follow the pattern, threading until you have a beautiful monogrammed piece. No luxurious spa day is complete without great products. Natural and handmade products elevate the experience. Beeswax and soy candles provide a better return on your bougie investment. They burn the cleanest and last the longest. I also make my own body scrubs with household items like brown sugar, sea salt, or coffee grounds. Custom silk bathrobe? Now that's bougie. Created with GEICO.